Welcome! If you're tired of getting constant notifications every time someone remixes your Instagram Reels, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the quick and easy way to turn off Instagram remix notifications, updated for the latest version of the app. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner. That's the menu icon. Go ahead and tap it. A list of options will appear. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the main settings menu where you can manage everything about your Instagram experience. Next, scroll down until you see the Notifications option. Tap on it. This section controls all the notifications you receive from Instagram, from likes and comments to new followers and, yes, remixes. Within the Notifications menu, find and tap on Live and Reels. This is where Instagram groups all the settings related to live videos and reel activity. Now, look for the section labeled Remixes. Here, you'll see options for how you want to receive notifications about remixes of your reels. To completely turn these off, simply select Off. Once you do this, Instagram will stop sending you notifications whenever someone remixes your content. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Instagram remix notifications. No more interruptions every time someone gets creative with your reels. You can always come back to these settings if you change your mind and want to turn notifications back on. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date tech tips and Instagram tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a quieter, more focused Instagram experience.